If you want to know how to use email marketing to increase customer retention and you're tired of bloated tutorials that take forever to get to the point, this is the only video you need to watch. I've tried the most popular email marketing tools myself, and I'll show you what actually works in under 3 minutes. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial for the software I recommend, only for viewers of my channel, linked in the description. Let's jump right in. Customer retention starts with consistent communication, and email marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to keep your audience engaged after the sale. The first step is to segment your list. Most businesses send the same email to everyone. That's a mistake. You need to separate new customers from repeat buyers, inactive users, or VIPs. Our software makes this super easy. Again, link in the description if you want to follow along. Once you've segmented, create a post-purchase email flow. The goal here isn't to sell immediately, it's to build trust. Send a thank you email first. A few days later, send helpful tips on how to get the most out of the product or service they bought. This reduces buyers' remorse and makes them more likely to come back. Then implement a win-back sequence. If a customer hasn't engaged or bought in a while, don't just disappear, reach out. Offer them a small discount, a reminder of what they bought before, or even a quick customer satisfaction survey to re-engage them. You can automate all of this with the software we're using. It handles behavior-based triggers, so these emails get sent at the perfect time. Next, add value-driven content in between your promotions. Think behind-the-scenes stories, industry tips, or exclusive sneak peeks. If every email is a pitch, people tune out. If your emails offer real value, they stay subscribed and they stay customers. One of the most powerful retention tools, personalized product recommendations. If someone bought X, suggest Y a few weeks later. This drives repeat purchases without feeling pushy. The software we're using uses past purchase data and click behavior to do this automatically. Don't forget the power of a loyalty program. You can use email to introduce it, track progress, and send reminders when people are close to rewards. This builds anticipation and keeps customers coming back just to hit that next milestone. And finally, always measure. Track open rates, click rates, and most importantly, repeat purchase rates. If your email campaigns aren't improving retention, tweak your sequences and test again. With the software I'm recommending, you get built-in analytics that makes it simple. So here's the key takeaway. Email marketing is not just about blasting offers. It's about delivering value, timing your messages right, and using automation to build real relationships. That's how you increase customer retention without spending more on ads. Quick recap, segment your list. Set up post-purchase and win-back sequences. Mix in value-driven content. Use personalized recommendations. Promote your loyalty program. Track your results and optimize. And most of all, automate what you can. Before you go, don't forget, if you want to try this out for yourself, there's an exclusive free trial of the software I personally recommend, linked in the description. It's only available through this channel, and it's the fastest way to start improving your email marketing results today. Thanks for watching.